Good day guys! It's Queenie Pagya. For today's video, samahan nyo ko. Self-care and self-love is a must. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Isama mo na yan sa listahan mo para pagandahin ang ipin mo. I highly recommend guys, itong dental clinic na to, na located to sa unit number 14, ground floor, sa Holland Park. Makikita mo agad siya kasi katabi lang siya ng Ambus Restaurant. Welcome to Southwoods Dental Clinic. Pagpasok mo pa lang, makikita mo na very malinis and spacious ang dental clinic nila dito. Ito nga pala guys, yung before ko, makikita nyo yung pagkabungal ko. So excited na nga ako, tara, samahan nyo ako at dito na rin kayo. Dito na kayo magpaganda ng ipin. Very accommodating nga pala ang staff nila guys dito. At kung goal mo din ba to achieve your perfect smile, book your free consultation where expert care meet genuine service. Dito lang yan sa Southwoods Dental Clinic. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Hurry up! DM their page for inquiries and appointment. Let's go mga ka-South community! Open hours nga pala nila is daily open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Meet Doc Maria Torres. Hello po, Doc. Thank you so much for this and have a great day, everyone. Hope you like it. And thank you for watching. Sharing is caring.